So since 2017, I've been a heavy user of Instagram stories. I post on there a lot about what I'm getting up to every day. I post behind the scenes stuff. I show you how I work on a wedding. But in the past few months, well, probably in the past year, I've been posting less and less. Just because of the way the world is at the moment, and I'm not shooting any weddings. A little bit bored, to be honest, not much going on. So I felt like I've not had much content to show. And at the same time, I'm just really missing weddings. I'm missing filmmaking. The reason I got into this job was because I love making films. So I just feel I need a creative output. I need to be making something on a more regular basis than I am at the moment. So I've decided I'm going to start doing this, making a short video every day just to kind of show what I'm getting up to. And the hope is that it'll kind of scratch that creative itch for me and keep things ticking over so I don't forget how to use my cameras, just to kind of tide me over until weddings come back and I can get back to doing what I love. Now, I don't know if this is going to be incredibly boring. Like I said, I feel like I've not had much to show in the past year, so that's not going to change now. But I'm hoping that by committing to doing these every day, it's going to kind of force me to try and find something nice to film every day and find something that I can kind of be creative about. Anyway, so this is day one. So I've just come back from a run in the rain. It's miserable today. And the rest of my day will be spent editing together a speeches film from the last wedding I filmed before lockdown started. So this is like early 2019. And at the time, all they had was the 5 to 7 minute cinematic film. And they now decided that they want a video of their speeches in full as well. So I film every wedding in the same way. And I keep all footage for a year after the wedding. So what that means is once you've seen your cinematic film, you can then decide if you want to see more from your wedding, because obviously I can't fit all of the footage into that 5-minute film. So there's always stuff left over that I kind of have sitting on a hard drive. Right, that is work done for the day. I wonder what fun activity me and Jess will come up with this evening.
Fell quite a long way. Ooh.
Jess bought me a PlayStation for my birthday during lockdown. You having fun? Can I have a go?